Hey, this is Red with Red's Power Maintenance. I am a small engine mechanic. I specialize in golf carts, ATVs, lawn and garden tractors, small engines, and outdoor power equipment of all types. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you step by step through this carb tuning that I'm doing on a 2002 Polaris Sportsman 500. So sit back and watch, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully we get this thing tuned in. What I'm using to do this is a Gearwrench, 1/4 inch locking flex head bit driver. This costs about 20 bucks. Nice thing to have, nice long handle, about 12 to 13 inches long or so, I believe. It says 72 teeth. But yeah, you know, you can see there I got the bit in there. And what this works good for is the air fuel mixture on the front of these quad carbs, because it's underneath the front of the float bowl. And to get in there, you got to come in here. You got to have a tiny screwdriver to get it done. And this kind of just does the job for you. So we'll see if we can get it dialed in with you watching. I'm doing half turns on this carb screw at a time, and then starting it and trying it out. We'll be able to start it and see what happens. Not quite there yet. Just a little bit. If I can't find it, then I'm going to have to adjust the main jet on the inside. I think that's what I need to do. So now we're going to take the top off here, get in the top end of the carburetor. Using Tekton Hard Handle screwdriver. Take this off here. Then you have the spring, and you'll be able to see here, maybe, that you have a little plastic piece, and then there's a circlip on top of it, and then there's lines in your needle there, and each one of them is a different adjustment. So we started off all the way on the bottom. I put it up 2. So now I'm going to jump to the middle of it, of those 2, and see if we're good there. Here we're using Engineers Najisaurus pliers. These are PZ80s. Now this is kind of the tricky part. There we go. Now I'm going to back it off a half a turn. There we go. There's a half turn out. Do a 1/4 turn this time. What's up?
You know what it was running from?
What?
That's yours.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Remember the goat that bites?
Yeah, I do.
That was the one that was running from. Good thing I came in here and shut the door and locked it.
For sure, dude. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. And if it was helpful, go ahead and help me out and hit that subscribe button. We need to get to 500 subscribers so I can do a tool giveaway. In the meantime, we're going to be doing more tool unboxings and reviews, overviews, and small engine do-it-yourself repair tips and tricks. Thanks again, guys.